All right, today I want to talk about the top 5 benefits in spirituality that help with recovery from addiction. So, just real quick, because I'll tell you this, a lot of people want recovery, but at the same time, they don't want spirituality. They want relief without surrender. They want freedom without dependence. They want sobriety without transformation. And I get it. I get it. I promise you I get it, because I am you. I am one of us. I, myself, tried to fix addiction at the surface level. I tried behavioral changes. I tried discipline. I tried white knuckling my way through life with new routines. But recovery didn't stabilize until spirituality entered the picture, good people. Not religion for show, not church attendance for optics, but a real daily spiritual connection. So today, let me break down 5 benefits of spirituality and recovery from addiction. And I'm not talking about theory, not fluff, just my God's honest truth. Benefit number 1, spirituality gives recovery a deeper purpose. Now, without spirituality, recovery feels like loss. You lose the substance, you lose the escape, you lose the coping mechanism. But spirituality reframes recovery as becoming, not losing. It shifts the question from what do I have to give up to who is God shaping me into. Now that's why Romans 8:28 is important. It says this: God causes all things to work together for good, even addiction, even shame, even the years, the days, the months that you wish you could erase. Spirituality gives your pain some meaning, and meaning makes recovery sustainable. Benefit number 2, spirituality fills the void that addiction was filling. Now, let's be honest, good people. Addiction isn't just about the substance. It's about the emptiness, the loneliness, the restlessness, the desire to turn your mind off. If you remove the substance but never address the void, recovery stays fragile. Spirituality fills what alcohol, drugs, lust, or control never could. Going to the good book, Psalm chapter 63, verse 1 says this: my soul thirsts for you. And that thirst doesn't disappear when you get sober, good people. It disappears when you reconnect spiritually. This, in my opinion, is why people relapse even when life looks good. Their soul was still starving. Benefit number 3, spirituality teaches humility instead of shame. Now, recovery, it humbles you. And without spirituality, that humility turns into shame. I'll tell you that. You start labeling yourself by your worst moments. You carry guilt like an identity. Spirituality changes that. It teaches you that surrender isn't weakness. Surrender is wisdom. James chapter 4, verse 6 says this: God gives grace to the humble. Grace is what keeps recovery from becoming self-punishment. Now, instead of saying, again, what's wrong with me? The good part is you can start saying, start asking, what is God trying to teach me? That shift keeps you moving forward instead of keeping you stuck in regret. Benefit number 4, spirituality provides strength when the motivation disappears. Now, let me be clear. Motivation, to me, is unreliable. Some days recovery feels manageable. Other days, it feels unbearable. Spirituality gives you access to strength that doesn't depend on your mood. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 29 says this: He gives strength to the weary, not to the confident, not to the put together, to the weary, good people. Spirituality reminds you that you don't have to feel strong to stay sober. You just have to stay connected. And that connection carries you when discipline runs out. Benefit number 5, spirituality rebuilds identity, not just habits. Addiction strips identity. You stop seeing yourself as a person and you start seeing yourself as a problem. But spirituality restores identity. You're not just someone in recovery. You're someone that's being renewed, refreshed, rebuilt. And 2 Corinthians 5:17 says this, if anyone is in Christ, this person is a new creation. Recovery isn't about managing urges forever. It's about becoming someone who no longer needs escape. Spirituality changes how you see yourself, and that, good people, it will change how you live. So let me close with this. Recovery without spirituality is exhausting. You're constantly fighting yourself. Recovery with spirituality is grounded. You're supported, guided, and strengthened beyond even your own capacity. Spirituality, though, it doesn't make recovery easy, but it makes it possible. And if we're being honest, if you're serious about freedom, don't just clean up your behavior and your routines. Heal the soul. That right there is the real benefit of spirituality and recovery from addiction. And if you need some faith-based recovery resources, I implore you to check out my Stand store at stand.store/Deacon Dayne. Peace and God bless.